date, and the other petitions, including leave petitions and CMAs, are decided accordingly. There are a number of orders, so I will let the senior person heading that particular order to read the entire order or whatever he wants to read therefrom. Shah Sahab, you have a copy. Is this original? जी मेरे पास तो नहीं है, मेरे पास original मैंने आपको दी.
Majority order, and I repeat, it is by myself and Justice Munib Akhtar, Muhammad Ali Mazhar, Aisha Malik, Atar Minallah, Saeed Hassan Ali Rizvi, Shahid Waheed, and Irfan Sadat Khan. For detailed reasons to be recorded later and subject to what is set out therein by way of amplification or explanation or otherwise, these appeals are decided in the following terms. Number one, the impugned judgment dated 25th of March 24 of the learned full bench of the High Court is set aside to the extent it is or may be inconsistent with this order or the detailed reasons. Number two, the order of the Election Commission of Pakistan dated 1st of March 2024 is declared to be ultra vires the Constitution, without lawful authority and of no legal effect. 3.